In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove weekends in Monday.com, specifically from your timeline and Gantt views, so your project schedule reflects only actual working days. If you're managing tasks Monday through Friday and you don't want weekends stretching out your timelines, this quick setting change will make your boards much cleaner and more accurate. I'll walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple Monday.com tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Monday.com and go to the board where you want to remove weekends. This works inside both the Timeline view and the Gantt view. At the top of your board, click on either Timeline or Gantt, depending on which one you're using. The process is nearly identical for both views. Once you're inside the Timeline or Gantt view, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This opens up the View Options menu where you can customize how your timeline is displayed. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open the configuration panel for that specific view. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see multiple options that control how your timeline behaves, including date display, duration settings, and working days. Now here's the important part. Look for the option related to weekends or working days. In most cases, you'll see a toggle that says something like Hide Weekends, or an option to define working days. To remove weekends from your timeline or Gantt view, simply enable the Hide Weekends toggle. As soon as you turn this on, Saturday and Sunday will disappear from the timeline, and your tasks will now be displayed across working days only. If you don't immediately see a Hide Weekends toggle, look for a working day setting. Click into it and make sure only Monday through Friday are selected as working days. Deselect Saturday and Sunday. Once weekends are unchecked, the system will automatically treat them as non-working days and remove them from your visual timeline. After making this change, close the Settings panel and take a look at your timeline or Gantt view. You should now see that the calendar skips directly from Friday to Monday. Your taskbars will adjust accordingly, and the overall project duration will reflect only working days instead of counting weekends. This is especially useful if you're managing business projects, client deliverables, marketing campaigns, or development sprints that don't operate on weekends. Removing weekends makes your schedule more realistic and easier to communicate to stakeholders. Keep in mind that these settings apply per view. So if you have multiple timeline or Gantt views on the same board, you may need to repeat these steps for each one. Just open the view, click the three-dot menu, go to Settings, and adjust the Working Days or Hide Weekends option. And that's it. That's how you remove weekends in Monday.com using the Timeline and Gantt views. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your projects are displayed and planned. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.